Make sure to stay until the end. We will explain a secret how you can easily find engine noise whine on Mercedes. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes. If you have a Mercedes that makes whining engine noise and you want to find where it's coming from, guys, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. We'll explain on C-Class, but the same engines, guys, in multiple Mercedes have been used in multiple models such as C-Class, E-Class, CLK, SLK, MLs, R-Class. Multiple vehicles reuse their engines, guys, practically. So it will apply to most modern vehicles nowadays. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do all that? Simple, because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can guys save a ton of money. So we're going to do something now here, guys. We're going to start our Mercedes with the belt on, all the accessories running and all that stuff. We want you to hear that noise, and then we'll show you a secret. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate what that noise whine sounds like, okay, from the pulley. So let's go ahead, start it now. Okay, you're going to hear it. It will sound like really annoying. You'll sound it coming from the top end here, guys. It almost sounds like something's bad inside the engine. Okay, so let's give it gas more. So you can definitely, guys, hear it, and the warmer it gets, the louder it gets as well. So let's explain what causes that now. So what we're going to do next, guys, we remove that serpentine belt. Check how long it is on multiple Mercedes vehicles, guys. The belt will be driving multiple accessories. You can see this is the crankshaft pulley there, but this is power steering. That can create quite a bit of noise too. If they start failing, here you have a tensioner pulley. That's what it looks like. Those, if the bearings start failing, they can create a noise as well. And sometimes you may not be able to hear it when spinning by hand, but when it's under load and you have pressure, the bearing may become noisy. Third, it could be AC compressor. Right there, it could be a failing bearing in the AC compressor as well. You have one, two, or even in some cases more idler pulleys on your Mercedes. For instance, ours, guys, okay, that's where the problem occurred, in the idler pulleys. And alternator, water pump are driven by the belt. That's the water pump, that's alternator. They can create noises as well. Alternator has a bearing there, and the water pump, okay, if it fails, can be noisy too. So, but it could be mechanical problems such as timing chain guides, variable timing gears, and you just hope it's not inside the engine. What we'll recommend: open the garage door and start your vehicle for only up to 10-15 seconds because the water pump will not be running and you can overheat it. Start it and listen for a noise and see if you have improvement. Let's go ahead, do that now, and see if we have any noise. And I can immediately tell you guys that the noise is not so obvious at all. That's a normal sounding engine. So our problem, okay, was right here. The idler pulley on top was the one that was failing, guys. But every time you replace an idler pulley, you need to replace tensioner, all the pulleys, and serpentine belt as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you looking for that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.